morning. This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals, and we are at Petco Mechanicsburg. This is our normal weekly janitorial. We come here once a week and service the floors and clean the bathrooms. Come on, walk with me while we look at these floors. We got Big Blue in here. There she goes. Now we're going to go show you some stains that we have. Stain there. Little marky there. Marky here. All right, we got marks here. Okay. Marks all over the floor, all right? We're gonna go ahead and clean this up. We have the aquatic area to do as well. Can't forget about that. Our fish, we love our fish. Keep our ocean clean. Look at it. Oh, those things are cool. All right. So we're gonna clean this area here. Clean the whole store. Clean the whole store, and I'll show you the bathrooms too once we get there. Stay tuned. Fill our bucket up with the solution here. This is hot water. Already have our solution inside. It's a powder, so we're allowing it to mix up, allowing it to go ahead and get really dissolve inside the water here. Using hot water, always like to use hot water. This solution can be mixed with it's cold. It doesn't matter. That's why I use it. It's very versatile. Next bucket will just be pure water. We're all finished here. Let's take a look and look at these floors real quick before we head out. Look at that. All those dirty marks that were in the beginning. In the beginning up here, all gone. Alright. Set marks, aquatic area. Looking great. Oh yeah. Phenomenal. I'm not going to walk through the whole store because it all looks the same. It looks great. Got the dog area over here. All right. So we're going to head out, head to the next location. Stay tuned.